from a suspect slipping out of handcuffs and sparking a 120 miles per hour pursuit before crashing into a field, to a driver blasting past 100 miles per hour, slamming into squad cars before spike strips finally ended the chase.
209 stopped here.
These are times when PIT maneuvers are used with no mercy. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss the wildest police chases caught on camera. August 31st, 2025. At approximately 8:54 p.m., a sheriff's deputy observed a gray Saturn Aura traveling 75 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone. A traffic stop was conducted, and the driver, who had no license or identification, was asked to step out of the vehicle. The driver was placed in handcuffs, but while the deputy was adjusting them, he slipped out of one cuff and ran. The suspect, still wearing one handcuff, sprinted around a building, then returned to his car and sped away, initiating a dangerous pursuit. The chase continued across multiple highways, with speeds exceeding 100 to 120 miles per hour. The suspect swerved toward a patrol unit, ran through small towns, and braked suddenly before turning down side streets.
It about made me rag going up in the road.
Eventually, the driver lost control in a curve, crashing the Saturn in Red Boiling Springs. He fled on foot, but was quickly located in a field. After a brief struggle, a taser was deployed, and the suspect was taken into custody. August 2025, Grove City, Ohio. In Grove City, Ohio, police dashcam and bodycam footage captured the moments leading up to a deadly crash following an alleged theft. Officers were initially investigating two suspects accused of stealing from a sporting goods store. They later spotted the pair near a Walmart parking lot.
Where's that Walmart? Hang it up.
Southbound and Blackout Parkway.
When police attempted to stop them, the suspects jumped into a silver car, clipped a cruiser while fleeing, and nearly struck pedestrians as they sped away. The pursuit continued through city streets, with the suspects weaving through traffic, driving into oncoming lanes, and reaching speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. At one point, the vehicle cut across 4 lanes of traffic and nearly collided with a motorcycle.
Continuing 71, approaching 315, speeds 120 miles per hour, traffic is moderate.
153, CPD wants to know what lane you're in.
Say again, radio.
What lane are you in?
We're getting off on green lawn.
We're watching the front line, where are you guys at?
Left on green lawn.
Despite multiple attempts, officers were unable to intercept the car. Eventually, the suspects exited the interstate at Green Lawn Avenue. Moments later, the vehicle crashed near a cemetery. When officers arrived, both occupants were unresponsive.
Everyone, we're on Green Lawn at 71.
Driver! Show me your head!
CFD medic.
Hold the air.
Officers immediately shifted from enforcement to life-saving measures, performing CPR for several minutes.
There now.
Guys, can you hear us?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
You want any tools?
Grab me a pry bar. Hey. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Chopper, good work for the officers, and PSW is all clear.
Grab the sledgehammer.
Copy, thanks.
You fix myself at the crash site.
Copy.
Hit it. All right.
Tragically, the crash claimed the lives of both suspects. July 17, 2025, Thurston County, Washington. In Thurston County, Washington, Olympia police located a stolen vehicle using an automated license plate reader, initiating a pursuit that escalated rapidly.
Taking off 101 southbound. Can you make sure I'm coming for where we are not hit? Yes. I copy.
Just breathe.
The suspect accelerated down highways at speeds of up to 130 miles per hour, weaving across lanes and shoulders in a reckless attempt to escape.
Received Ops 4 is going to be on a code 10 for county pursuit on Ops 4. We're losing sight of in traffic, don't know if it's either north or south of the Received losing sight in traffic unknown as north or south at I-5.
4106, I'm at northbound I-5 at that's Plum Street.
Radio Evergreen 1, I'm behind county on 101.
Deputies from the Thurston County Sheriff's Office coordinated a tactical response, deploying spike strips while preparing to use a grappler device, designed to hook a rear tire and safely bring the vehicle to a stop.
Fully PD, go for a grapple.
Good grapple, felony stop.
Good grapple.
South at 93rd, we'll be on film stuff.
The chase came to an end when a deputy's cruiser successfully deployed the grappler, causing the stolen vehicle to fishtail and spin out. The suspect was quickly taken into custody and identified as wanted on multiple felony warrants out of King County.
Let's see some fucking hits.
3103, felony stop.
Just keep a long angle on this. Yeah. Do you guys want to go up on this side or that side? Yeah, let's. If they got long cover, I'm ready to move whenever you guys are. That's a good fucking call. I like it.
I'll cover while you hop, and then you can cover you.
Okay, sounds good.
You want to hold that side while we move up? Gotcha. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna move.
Go ahead.
Right.
Covering, you guys move.
Sorry, dude.
He was booked on charges of possession of a stolen vehicle and attempting to elude.
We have another. All right, moving up. I'm fanning out. Visually clear from here. I'm gonna move in. Yep. Driver's side clear. Passenger. Yeah, hit trunk. Good. Woo. Good shit.
It's grapple.
Yeah.
Grapple one.
Thank you.
How fast?
74. When I look.
No injuries were reported, and no patrol vehicles were damaged during the incident. June 28, 2025, Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin. In Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin, an officer attempted a traffic stop after witnessing a vehicle run a stop sign. Instead of complying, the driver fled, sparking a pursuit that quickly reached speeds over 100 miles per hour and continued across the state line into Illinois.
Negative on the sticks. Good sticks, southbound from 95th. Right.
Pleasant Prairie officers, along with supporting agencies, made multiple attempts to deploy spike strips.
Here. I'm gonna try to get in front, slow him down. Box again. 209, we're in Illinois. I'm gonna box him in again up here. I'm in front of him. Let's see if we can get him, guys. Contact. 209 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this.
While the first 2 attempts failed, a final deployment successfully deflated the suspect's tires and brought the chase to an end.
209 stopped here.
During the pursuit, the suspect struck multiple squad cars before finally being stopped and taken into custody without further incident.
Keep coming back, keep coming back. Drop to your knees. Drop. If you move, you will get bit.
We see you. Put your hands up, or you.
Who else is in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car.
Let's get him back.
It's just me. It's just me. Weapon? No, in the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Concealed carry, Glock.
Look, you're under arrest.
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna handle him, you got the car.
And that is it for today's video. But do tell us, which PIT maneuver did you think was the most brutal? Should police keep using them at these insane speeds, or is it just too risky? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next wild pursuit.